What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Pepe fam, Pepe is absolutely crushing it. It is insane to see. I talked about the range that Pepe was in and how it was ready for a potential breakout. We're gonna dive into it, man. If you hold Pepe, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I told y'all, and I'll keep saying it, I really do believe that Pepe will perform the shiba slash doge type run going into the next bull cycle. So not financial advice obviously, but getting even a little bit of exposure to Pepe for potential gains in the future. You make some money, hey, I'll be happy to make money, man. Even if it's not life changing, I'm happy to make money, right? Let's focus on small wins, keep building out these small wins throughout the time we spend in crypto, and just keep growing, man. Like, take a look at Warren Buffett. He didn't become a billionaire instantly, right? It took years of investing for him to become a billionaire, right? Charlie Munger as well, right? So yeah, guys, use those people as examples, right? I know when it comes to crypto, we want to get in instantly, and then 2 months, not even 2 months, a day after we buy, as soon as we buy, we see a huge breakout, we get rich like right away. I know a lot of people expect that, but that's not how it works. Yeah, guys, yeah, you have to exercise patience. I myself still make mistakes when it comes to exercising patience. You know, there was a project that I could have held just recently for a quick 5x, right? I myself didn't exercise patience in that situation, and then boom, lost out on a quick 5x trade, right? You have to exercise patience when it comes to this space. So Pepe fam, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We can see, man, Pepe making that nice little breakout, man. You can see that happening, man. Like I said, I'll show you guys my trading view chart. You can see this breakout for Pepe up to that 1.8 mark, right? And a ton of people bullish on Pepe. Billy Boy, just chill and hold from Wizard. Yeah, man, a ton of people that are bullish on Pepe. And again, like I said, I truly believe Pepe is gonna be that meme coin that is the onboarding meme coin for this next bull cycle, just like how Doge and Shiba was an onboarding meme coin. Retail investors love to hop into meme coins, so I truly believe a lot of retail will get into the space because of Pepe, especially when they seen it make huge candles like this, man. You see that huge candle? Let me clear my lines up, man. But you see, it was in this range, and I made a made a statement that, hey, we could see a breakout from here. We did get that breakout, man. Obviously the opposite could have happened, but after consolidation ranges like this, man, it's either a break to the upside, you look for a break to the upside, or a break to the downside, man. And we saw that break to the upside for Pepe. And again, like I said, this will, in my opinion, will be the onboarding meme coin where a ton of retail investors just FOMOing into Pepe, right? And then altcoins will explode as well. Then we get altcoin season as well, right? But Pepe is gonna be the project that brings in a ton of fresh money. And when everyone on the timeline, a vehicle is passing, guys, my apologies, but when everyone on the timeline is talking about Pepe this, Pepe that, on Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, all the different social media, Rumble, social media platforms, you're gonna see a huge amount of FOMO into Pepe, man. And then it's gonna absolutely keep sending until it hits a high. You know, going into the top of the bull market, you take your profits, and then you're good to go. You just made some money, right? You know, it might not be life changing depending on how much you invest, but again, like, it's at, how much is it at right now? 700 million market cap, 703 mil, 354 million 24-hour trade volume, more volume than a lot of other projects, more volume than Doge and Shiba at this current time frame. Like, we could take a look, man. More volume than Doge, 273 million on Doge and Shiba, 119 million on Shiba. More volume than both of them, guys. So I again wouldn't fade Pepe, man. Even just a little bit of exposure would in my opinion, be a good idea, right? Not obviously, it's not financial advice, but yeah, man, we could see potential more tier 1 listings with the volume that we're getting on Pepe. the hype that it's generating, ton of people consistently talking about it, top YouTubers have already made videos, and then boom, bull market is back. Pepe is sending huge retail FOMO. We see another 50 to 100x from here, right? 60 to 70 billion dollars in market cap, 50 billion to 70 billion dollars in market cap from here, just like what Shiba did. You just never know, guys, so don't rule out that possibility. Pepe fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll catch you in the next